JAVS has a scheduling software, aptly named Scheduler. It's a solution that works seamlessly with the JAVS Recorder 8 and Suite 8. The software is easy to use in a variety of situations, mainly because it allows you to schedule sessions in advance for Autoblog. This can be a great time-saving solution. When you open Scheduler, you can navigate through the calendar. Scheduler offers multiple views which can be found in the main toolbar above. So as you see here, we have a list view. So this is your list view. And then we have a single day. Then we have a work week, a 7-day week, a month, and then you have today. Today highlights which day you're on. Adding to a schedule is simple. You can see that you can add as much or as little as you want during or prior to a session. To add a new session, you can either click the date, so let's go ahead and click the 12th. So you've selected that, and then you want to go up and select New. So this will open a session window where you can input the name, type, department, title, exhibit. Once you select the type, we'll open up more options for you to enter more information. Another way that you can add to the schedule is just select what day you need to add something. So we have a session that's going to be happening Friday the 13th. We just need to double click and it will open that same box, the new session. So the only thing you must enter is a session name. So we're just going to say Jones versus Smith. So after that, technically, you can add it to the schedule. Every time you're going to need to set a time and date. You also can choose whether you want it to start on time. Of course, this is showing you 5 minutes early, 10 minutes early, 30 minutes early. You can do a no auto start, and these below it are the same. It will automatically start 5 minutes early. So this is great if you have a jam-packed schedule and you need things to run smoothly and on time. You can select exactly how you'd like the program to perform. You can do the same with the stop time. So here, when you click the time, be aware that it's showing you AM and PM, and then below is the minutes that you want to set it at. So let's pick 8:20, and we can add to the schedule. So let's create another session. If you want to enter more detail, Scheduler allows you to enter a session title, a session type, and departments. So let's look at the court case already has their title. You can put that in, or the name, whatever that may be, could be the date. So if we go to the type, we can do a civil jury trial if we want. All you're going to do is search if you've entered them before. Let's go ahead. So we've already been working in the program. We're going to go ahead and enter Jackie Chan. I hear he's a good lawyer. We also have load default parties. So if you're in a room that has the same judge, same bailiff, same clerk, whatever it may be, and that's on a regular basis, you can hit load default parties and those things will load for you. So we've entered some information here. Then we can go up and add exhibits. If you are setting up a schedule for a week, a month, a day, whatever it may be, you can go ahead and preload all that information. So all you're going to do, if you missed it, I'm just clicking, this is our edit icon. So you can see a pad and a pencil. Click on that, and we need to add a new exhibit. So we are going to hit that plus button. So the exhibit name, if you want to leave it as exhibit 1, or we're going to just add 10.2. Maybe it has a serial number attached. You can add a description if you need, and then we hit browse. And this is a medical case. So we have an exhibit of an x-ray for a surgery that took place. So I've added that. Now notice the name will show, my file name is not there, but the name I've given it will show up. And the description, if you were to enter that, will show up. So we're going to hit enter and we're done. You can follow the cues that the windows will show you to walk through. So we're going to add this to the schedule. Also, let's take a look at whether you can make it sealed or unsealed. So if this is something that needs to stay private, you can go back and edit things, but So I'd like to point out that it shows the beginning start time. It does not list the stop time, as that can be varied. Now I want to point out to your left, we have these calendar bars. It also shows up in this overall overview of calendars. Now when you see a number boldened, that's telling you that there are sessions scheduled for that day. If you want to edit the properties of a session that has already been scheduled, all you're going to do is click the session that you need to edit. So we've selected that. Then we're going to head up to the Properties button that is already labeled. You can change any information here very easily and hit Save. Another way that you can edit, select your session and you right-click. When that opens, you can see what you have available. So we have Properties, Reschedule, Copy, and Delete. Let's click Reschedule. All it's going to do is open up where you would set the time and date, and you can change those things to what you need. So of course you can do the same if you wanted to select this Thursday the 12th and I need to reschedule it. You can go up top and hit that same icon, reschedule. You can also go up top to the toolbar where you can hit properties, change properties, delete. When you hit refresh, it updates with the latest data to make sure you're looking at a correct calendar. Now let's move on to list view. So as you can see in the list schedule, there are different columns showing name, title, type, start date, end date, department, parties. You can change that however you like. Just go up and click on Show and Hide Columns, and this window will open. You can choose what columns you would like to have on your screen.